What's good, YouTube? Andre Reyes back with another video, and today marks my 6-month update from getting my FUE hair transplant from Asli Tarcan. As usual, I want to thank everybody for like, comment, subscribing. I've been talking to a lot more people. The channel has been growing, and do me a favor. It's my birthday. Please hit the subscribe button. It's free. It'll help me out and to help other people out with deciding to get a hair transplant. So today, before I show you guys my hair, I'm just gonna go through month to month to month just to show you guys and get a quick recap since we're at the halfway mark. So let's check out the progress. It's been a crazy ride, man. I only think I'm at the halfway mark. You know, you go so many years stressing and trying to figure out how many weeks you can get off at work, saving the money, trying to put that money aside, and then trying to find the right clinic to get the transplant. And to now be 6 months after the transplant is just crazy. I'm happy with the results. As far as like from 5th to 6th month, I really can't see a difference. Now, I know a lot of people, they talk about like feeling stubble in their hair or having hair bumps. I really haven't had that, so I'm guessing from like this 6 to 12 month mark, that hair that got transplanted where I already had hair is gonna start to grow longer and start to fill out. We'll see. I mean, if this is all I get realistically, then I'm happy with it. So we can just go through the hairline. It's thickening up, man. And it's crazy to think about that, you know, just 6 months ago, my hair was way back here. And it's just like, and now it's getting so long and thick, it's hard to, I can't even style it. All I've been doing is cutting down right here, like sort of giving a tape. I'm not a barber, and then cutting down low in the back, just the hair that's outside of a hat. And yeah, when that year mark comes, I'm gonna cut it all off, but I just don't think it's beneficial to go against the grain, or even with the grain, cutting down the hair. I'm just gonna let it grow as healthy as possible. And then just to show you the donor area, I did cut my hair down a while ago, and you can still tell that, you know, I had a hair transplant. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You're gonna have to play with different hairstyles. Like for me, I know this length is good, or I haven't tried getting a real fade. I know a lot of people get that high fade, so you can cut down the donor area. So I'll give you guys a look at the donor area. Yeah, so 6 months. I dreamed about this day. I'm gonna be honest. I always talked about like, hey man, my birthday. I just want to have a hairline after getting this done. And now we're here. It's crazy how fast time flies. I've moved from different countries to different states and visited different countries to now being home with a hairline. So I'm excited what the future brings. I can't wait to go into the barbershop with confidence and getting a real nice cut. So that's all I had. Thank you guys, man. I appreciate the support. And I've talked to maybe, no lie, 40 people from the first month to the 6th month who've gotten actual hair transplants. And a lot of them are happy with the results to the point. So I'm glad I could help out. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Happy birthday to me. I'm an old man, but I'm back in the game looking young. And yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys in my 7-month update. Peace.